சஞ்சய் குமார் ஜெய்ஸ்வால் அவர்கள். இவர் இந்தியா முழுக்க உள்ள 30 இனங்களை ஒன்று சேர்க்கக்கூடிய அமைப்பின் தலைவர். இந்த ஆண்டு காமராஜர் பிறந்த நாளை அகில இந்திய அளவில் புத்தகங்களை பரிசளித்து கொண்டாட வைத்தவர் இந்தியா முழுக்க. இந்த நிகழ்ச்சிக்காகவே வட இந்தியாவிலிருந்து ராய்ப்பூரிலிருந்து வந்திருக்கும் அவரை பேச அன்போடு அழைக்கிறோம். सौंदर पांडियन जी के जन्मदिन उत्सव में पाक लेने के लिए श्री संजय कुमार जायसवाल जी बहुत दूर से आए हैं. स्वयं मर्यादा के माती प्यार से स्वागत करती है.
नमस्कारम.
वणक्कम.
Chief guest of this August function, poet Mrs. Tilakabama, our southern leader Mr. J. Karikol Raj Nadar, our one more southern leader Mr. T.R. Sabapati Nadar, my interpreter, and the person who initiated to join us from north to south, Mr. Thangam Selvaraj from Chennai, Mr. Gyan Rajasekaran, Mr. Arul Moji, Dr. Thamijay Thangapandian, Mr. Subha Maritu, Mr. Thamil Magan, Mr. Pandian Bhaskaran, Mr. Ashok Babu, Mr. P. Mahendravel, Mr. Pon Vijay Raghavan, Mr. P. Raja Durai, and all other awardees, Dr. N. Sibasubramanian, Mr. V.K.V. Valaguru Nadar, Mr. Satyaraj from Trivandrum, Mr. S. Bhaskaran, Mr. Surendran Sao from Chennai, Mr. Veeramani Nadar from Rameswaram, and all family members of the great leader of our community, Mr. Saundarya Pandian Nadar. I feel very much great today to be present here in this birthday celebration of Saundarya Pandian Nadar. 2 years before, poet Mrs. Tilakabama came in our All India meeting of Mahila Sangam at Satna in Madhya Pradesh, from where Mrs. Tilakabama joined each and every meeting throughout India, whether it is at Panchkula, Haryana, whether it is at Raipur, whether it is at Nagpur, whether it is at Bhilwara, whether it is at any place, the active lady attended all the program. And today I found that she belongs to the same family, and the family, the great family of Saundarya Pandian Nadar. That is why some leadership qualities in her. And the day we want to see in the future is for the ladies, and the future is for our half of the community, the ladies community, and the Tilakabama will rise to a great height in coming days, I believe. Bharatiya Kalchuri Jaiswal Samvargi Mahasabha was founded in so many other names near about 125 years ago. And we are having so many great leaders born in our community, like K. Kamraj Nadar, like Dr. Kasi Prasad Jaiswal, barrister, freedom fighter, historian, born at Mirzapur, like historian Dr. Hiralal Rai, of Jabalpur, like Papanna Gaud of Andhra. There are so many great leaders in our community. If you go to North India, you must have visited the Golden Temple, the Swarna Mandir. That temple was built by our community, and the person who built was Sardar Jassa Singh Alwalia Kalal. He was also an Nadar. Whenever you go in the North India, you please must visit, whether you believe in that sect or not. The Golden Temple is the pride of our community, and that Swarna Mandir was built by Jassa Singh Alwalia Kalal, belongs to our Nadar community. So, what I want to say, this, at some time, our community was the warriors, our community was the kings. We were known by the Kalchuri kingdoms. And the cycle goes on and goes on. Some other kingdom came. We all gone here and there. But our main business, the main business which remains with us, and with that clue, we came into contact with our each and everybody living in this world. Now Nadar, Alwalia, Gaud, Bhandari, Jaiswal, Rai, Chokse, Sivhare, Baranwal, Mahor, we are now more than 10 crores. 10 crores. All over India. It is a proven fact. And I am proud to say here, the most organized and the most educated and the socially forward community is India in our Nadar community. Because, you see, it is a nature's practice that if you deprive somebody much more, they will try to rise in same force. Someday in the south, we were deprived. And saint like Narayan Guru, saint like Ayya Vaikunthar, and our leader Kamraj Nadar, they all, and do not forget Mr. Sundar Pandya Nadar, they all given the leadership and the self-respect in our community. This two words, self-respect, is a very important word we should not forget. I born and brought up at Calcutta. My whole education and business, since from my birth to age of 40 years, I used to live at Calcutta. But for the business and all other, my bread and butter, I shifted to Raipur, the capital of Chhattisgarh, 10 years ago. And 10 years ago, when I came to Chhattisgarh, I found that our Nadar, the people living there, known as Dand Sena Kalar. In Chhattisgarh, our Nadar people are known as Dand Sena Kalar. But they were not at all politically aware. There was no MLA, no MP in Chhattisgarh. And I took the ladder and I took the promise. The day will come when, with our effort, we will have our MLAs and MPs in Chhattisgarh. And I am pleased to announce here that in last MLA election at Chhattisgarh, the Congress given us one ticket and the BJP given us one ticket. And both the person won the election, and there is now 2 MLA in the Chhattisgarh. And not only that, in the last MP election, we met with the Sarsang Chalak of the RSS. We met with the president of the BJP. We met with 3 times with the chief minister of Chhattisgarh, Mr. Dr. Raman Singh, that we want our self-respect. We want a ticket from the BJP in this election. And the BJP given us 1 ticket for the MP election. And the Korba seat, the power hub of Chhattisgarh, we got a MP ticket from the BJP. And it was a proud moment for us when our Nadar brother won the election as a MP for the first time in the Chhattisgarh. So, we are uniting our brothers. We are giving the message of self-respect, what Sondar Pandian Nadar done 100 years ago. This is a continuous process. Mr. Karikol Nadar, Mr. Balaguru, Dr. Siva Subramanian, Mr. Sabapati Nadar, we all will march together, and the day is not so far when we will have our 50 MPs in this country. Yes, we promise. Until and unless we got 50 MPs in this country, in our community, we will not sit back. So, there are so many speakers here. I once again congratulate and convey my greetings to all the family of Sondar Pandian Nadar sitting here, and especially to our sister Tilakabama for this nice function here. Mr. Thangam Silvaraj, he knows Hindi. Mr. Bhaskaran from Madurai, he knows Hindi. Dr. Siva Subramanian also knows Hindi. And whenever I want to convey my thoughts to the Nadar brothers of the South, I give a call to them. And within a day, all the message spread in our Nadar brothers. When I was sitting here 5 minutes ago, I brought a directory from Chhattisgarh. In that, just like family tree of Sondar Pandian Nadar printed on the wall, we are also having our tree of our community. And that in that tree, we have shown we were also known as Modi. The Chandravans from which we belong, the Krishna, the Balram, Yaduvans, after that Kalchurivans, and that from Kalchurivans, those people who extract oil and associated with oil business, they were called Teli. Here in Shettiar, and other people who extract liquor are known as Kalar, Kalal, Kalwar, Nadar, Gaud. The 2 sons of the same father. One is Teli, one is Nadar. So Modi the Prime Minister of India is also belongs to our community. The work is very, yes, it is not a matter of, it is a matter of pride. It is a matter of pride, and we should, apart from all politics, apart from all party, we should, now he is a Prime Minister for everybody, and we should march ahead in his leadership, and we feel proud to have a great leader of Indian origin like Narendra Modi. Herein also, in this stage, we found sitting together our great two brothers, Mr. Sabapati Nadar and Mr. Karikol Nadar. And what we are thinking, what is our dream will come true. That dream will come true when leaders like Adi Kalar, Mahaguru Adi Kalar, leaders like Karikol Raj Nadar, leaders like Sabapati Nadar, leaders like Pon Vijay Raghavan, leaders like Tangam Silvaraj will come together and march together. There is no far away that near about 25 MPs we can get from this South India. Yes, and we will do it. The path is shown here, and we must thank our sister for this opportunity, Mrs. Tilakabama Nadar. Mr. Gyan Rajasekaran, please come forward and please help me in honoring our sister, Mr. Tilakabama Nadar. I am presenting an appreciation award from All India organization to Mrs. Tilakabama for this great work, and the 125th birthday celebration of Saundar Pandan Nadar, I think will be celebrated in the much more grand function awaiting in the coming days. And I once again bow my head to great leader Saundar Pandan Nadar. Namaskar, Vanakkam.